Hi, Brandon Reagan coming from Guaranty RV in Junction City. Want to introduce you to this brand new 2019 Catalina Summit. Now, this is a brand new line for us. We've carried the Catalina brand for a little while, but they've just recently came out with the Summit, which is a lightweight trailer. So this model is the 172BH. It's a single axle bunkhouse. So for somebody that wants to be lightweight and easy to tow and only be about 21 feet in length, this will fit all of those parameters. Now it's metal sided with wood frame. Your batteries and propane are going to go right up front here. And then here's your rock guard. One thing we'll point out as you're going around, it's got a full pass-through storage. So in many coaches like this, you're just going to have a little area to put things in. A lot of times it'll be blocked off. This has got a full pass-through storage there. It's got a power awning, pretty much the length of the whole coach. And as we go inside, you see it's got a corner bed big enough for two people. One of the things I want to point out is there's storage everywhere in this coach. So you can fit a lot of your camping gear and things. Over by the headboard area, you're going to notice that you've got room for USB, 2 plug-ins, and it's got the pull-down shades. Again, a lot of coaches will go with those mini blinds that kind of tear up in that aspect. So sink and 2-burner stove. And again, want to just point out, there's again storage everywhere, pots, pans, any kind of your popcorns and canned foods and things like that. And then more storage up above. Here you're going to have your microwave, your Norcold freezer and fridge. And then here's the kicker, 2 bunks. And they have a 300-pound weight capacity, so even bigger adults can fit on there. And there's storage underneath even on the bottom one. I'll get out of the way and you'll take a look here at the bathroom. Got a skylight up above. It's LED lighting all the way through. And it's got a centralized AC unit as well. The dinette, as you can see, as we have it down, will also fold into a bed, so you can sleep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people here. So excited about the new Summit by Catalina. If you have any questions, call Brandon Reagan at Guaranty RV 541-214-0223. Thank you.